Hi there, and welcome back to Challenging Kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Rhonda, and I welcome all of you. Thank you for joining in today. Today's recipe comes from a subscriber, Melissa. Thank you so much for sending in this recipe. It's going to go along perfectly with my leftover sauce and my spaghetti noodles. And what is this recipe? It's spaghetti pie. So thank you, Melissa. Here are the items that you're going to need. You're going to need some spaghetti. You're going to need some Parmesan. The recipe calls for cottage cheese, but I have ricotta, so I'm going to use what I have. So some ricotta, some mozzarella, 2 eggs, a little bit of onion, a pound of meat, and I'm using what I have for leftover meat, a cup of sauce, and tomato paste, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and cook up your spaghetti noodles. But since I'm using leftovers, I already have my spaghetti noodles already cooked. So I'm just going to warm my spaghetti noodles up. Now we're just going to slice our onion, and we'll add that to a fry pan until it is nice and tender. So on a medium-low heat, we're going to add a little bit of butter into our pan, and we're going to saute our onion. Because my meat's already been cooked, I'm just going to chop it up, and we'll add it to the onion mixture as soon as those are ready. This is Italian sausage that I have here. And I have a few meatballs left. Otherwise, you would use 1 pound of meat and you would cook that and drain off the fat and then add it to your cooked onion and pepper. Now that our onions have simmered a little bit, I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic because we like the garlic. Mix that in. Oh, that smells so good. Here, smell. It smells good. Now I'm going to add my 1 cup of sauce. My 6 ounces of tomato paste. Give that a nice stir. I have this on low to medium low. We're just going to let that come together and simmer. There we go. Now I'm going to add my chopped meat. Look how much meat. 1 sausage and 3 meatballs. Look at that. Wow, huh? Leftovers. Use them. Yes. Just gonna put that right in there. Give that a nice stir. Beautiful. Nice and thick, just like we need it for the top. Perfect. To our warmed through pasta, I'm going to add our 2 beaten eggs and our 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Mix it together. This is going to be our crust. Make sure it's all coated really well. Just like that. Now our pie dish, I'm going to gently coat it with a little bit of butter. Get the sides. There we go. And now we're going to make the crust. Just gonna smash it down. Have it up on the sides. Push it towards the side. Okay, now that we've gotten our crust in there, we're going to add our cheese. Just going to spread that out. There we go. Now take our meat mixture. We're just going to put it right on top. And we're going to leave a nice little edge there. I'm going to cover the edge with foil, put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and then I'll bring it out and we'll put the mozzarella cheese on top. Once the pie has been in the oven for 20 minutes, you want to take it out, remove the foil, and then just add your cheese to the top. Put it back in for about 5 minutes or until the cheese has melted. We like ours cheesy. I want to thank each and every one of you for joining in to Challenging Kitchen. Thank you so much for all my subscribers and the new ones that are coming in. I appreciate every single one of you, and I always look forward to hearing from you. So thank you once again. And thank you for the shout outs that I've gotten at Southern Boy Prepper, Kelly's Corner, Lose to Win, and also All Day, Everyday Preparedness. I want to give you a big thank you. It has helped my channel grow, and that's what we do as a community. We help one another, so thank you very much. If you have a recipe that you would like to showcase, email me at challengingkitchen@gmail.com. I look forward to seeing them. Thank you, and may God always bless you.